Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Welcome in maths class, and this is your maths teacher Ansa Abdullah. Why learn vocabulary? It is important to know the vocabulary to be able to communicate and understand the questions you come across. A point is a position in space represented by a dot, usually named with a capital letter. A point cannot be measured because it has no length and no height. Basically, point is a concept. It is denoted by dot, point A, point C, and point B. Line. A line is represented on a diagram by a straight line with arrows on both ends. It has no width and extends infinitely in both directions. It takes 2 points to define a line. An infinite number of points are on the line. Line, it is named with 2 of the points on the line or with the lowercase italicized letter. AB and DA line K are the same in the diagram. AB line and DA line, or the line it has named K, are the same. Ray. A ray is part of a line. It starts at one point and goes infinitely in one direction. BD starts at point B and goes through point D. Look at this. BD. B to D we are going. And DA. When you are going to like this way, DA. DA is not the same ray like BD. Segment. A segment is between 2 points. AB is the segment between point A and B. We will check. A segment is between 2 points. AB is segment between point A and point B. Notice the part of ray BD that is the same as part of ray DA is segment BD. BD is also segment. Angle and vertex. Two rays with a common starting point form an angle. The common point is called the vertex. An angle may be named by its vertex when the vertex alone is not ambiguous. 3 points can also designate an angle with the vertex as the middle point. Angle might also be numbered. Angle B, angle ABC. In this case, B is called vertex. Always we write in the middle. Remember one thing, AB is called arm or side of an angle. BC is also arm of an angle or it is side. Angle also can be denoted by any value. Perpendicular. Perpendicular lines intersect at 90-degree angles. CE is this symbol we use for perpendicularity. CE line is perpendicular to line BD. Now we will check. CE, this is perpendicular on BD. This line is perpendicular, and the line CE is perpendicular to line BD. CE is also perpendicular line M. Parallel. Parallel lines are those lines which do not intersect each other, no matter how far the lines are extended. Line K is parallel to line M but is not parallel to line N. Line K. This is line K and this is line M. These two lines are parallel lines, but this is not parallel to line N. How? Remember one thing. Parallel lines are those lines which do not intersect. And one more interesting thing is the distance between parallel lines always remains same. And check, this distance is not same. Acute angle. An acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. Angle DBE. We are talking about this measurement. This is acute angle. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. Angle CBD. We are talking about this portion. This portion is called obtuse angle. An angle, obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. Angle CBD, or you can say angle DBC, is an obtuse angle. Right angle. A right angle is exactly of measure 90 degree. Angle ABE or angle CBE is called right angle. The little square, this square at the vertex indicates the angle is 90 degree. Complementary angles. If sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, angles are called complementary angles. Angle ABD and angle DBE. Angle ABD and angle DBE are called complementary angles. Supplementary angles. If sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, angles are called supplementary angles. Angle ABD and angle DBC. It means this portion. Both angles are called supplementary angle. And remember one more thing, one angle is supplement of the other. Vertical angles. Vertical angles are across the intersection of two lines from each other. Angle 8 and angle 5 are vertical angles. Now we will check where is angle 8 and angle 5. Similarly, angle 6 and angle 7 are called vertical angles. In this diagram, angle 2 and angle 3 is vertical. Angle 1 and angle 4 are also vertical. There are two pair of vertical angles in one intersection. Two pair mean four angles, 5 and 8, 6 and 7. This is one intersection. Transversal. A transversal crosses a set of parallel lines. Again, recall parallel lines, those lines which do not intersect each other. A transversal crosses a set of parallel lines. CD is a transversal to the parallel lines M and K. M is a line, K is also a line, and CD is called transversal. This grouping makes two sets of four equal angles. Angle 5 and 8 vertical, angle 6 and 7 is also vertical, angle 3 and 2 is vertical, and 1 and 4 is also vertical. And students, remember one thing, vertical angles are always congruent, equal. Measurement of angle 1 is equal to measurement of angle 4. Measurement of angle 7 is equal to measurement of angle 6. And measurement of angle 2 is equal to measurement of angle 3. And measurement of angle 8 is equal to measurement of angle 5. Alternate interior. Alternate interior angles are equal between the parallel lines across the transversal from one and other. Angle 8 and angle 3 are one set of alternate angles. Angle 7 and angle 1 are also alternate angles. And remember, interior are, these are interior angles. Interior angles mean angles formed inside the lines. Interior portion of these two lines, 7 and 1, 8 and 3. And this line M is parallel to line K. Alternate exterior. Alternate exterior angles are equal outside the parallel lines across the transversal from one another. Angle 4 and angle 6. Now check. Angle 4 and angle 6 are one set of alternate exterior angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are on the same side of the transversal and either both above each parallel line or both below. In this case, angle 4 and angle 7 are corresponding angle. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 5 are also corresponding angle. In this direction, angle 6 and angle 1 are corresponding, angle 8 and angle 2 are corresponding angle. What is a condition for corresponding angle? Both lie on the same side of transversal. I hope students you got all the concepts related to geometry. But remember one thing, revise again and again. And thank you to join us. Allah Hafiz.